I don't know what I want to talk about, like for Yorio. And I have a few topics in mind, you know? But I thought that I was never going to achieve the 4 hours just yapping, and I didn't want to plan it because planning all of it would have been impossible. You know, actually planning the full 4 hours of yapping would have been impossible for me. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going live and I'll just wing it. Especially because I dealt with the bots. Okay, I woke up very late, dealt with the bots, tried to do some additional stuff, and then after it, and just like, I got deleted. I got tired and deleted. And you know, like, I don't know. Just wing it. Yeah. Besides, my voice is everywhere today. Everywhere and not with me. But, like in general, I think if we actually want to yap, we should yap about something. We should yap about something, you know, like ours, where people can actually join in and you want to talk and you know, there's topics. Hey Pete, what about to you? How is you? Let's talk about today. So I thought that for like starting Monday, I need to redo a schedule of everything. Like I need to redo a schedule of everything. Hold on. That was supposed to be an emote. Give it me a setting. A second. Oh, 70 TV emotes. Okay. Now I can probably see it. Yeah. Now I can see it. So, I thought that starting Monday, I need to actually redo a schedule or redo an assessment of what I do, you know, one day after the other, what I focus on compared to, you know, like stream stuff. Because like this week, I was supposed to do all that stuff, all the stuff, all the things. And then I didn't do anything. A little bit, it's part of the work, you know, like I couldn't do anything about it. It just like work appeared and was like, you need to work for me. So even though they don't pay me. But yeah, I need to redo a list of what I do every single day for the whole week. And I think I'm spreading myself too thin. Like for Yorio, I'm actually spreading myself too thin. It's where there is project 1, project 2, project 3, and then there is a stream which I actually increased to 4 hours. So it has been more tiring, I want to say. And then there is all the other activities. You're spreading and what? Now, would you like to know? I'm pretty sure you would like to know, but I'm not going to say. But yeah, I need to sip for sure. And I actually need to make sure that everything that I do, it doesn't kill me. You know, basically. Fox Jam? It's Fox Jam, not an emote. Dude. Fox? Wait, there's not. Hey, yo? You typed it wrong? I was starting to get, you know, like, worried. Exam tomorrow? Oh no. It's okay, Pete. Prepare for the exam. I don't have an exam tomorrow. I wish you luck. Honestly, I am a little bit, you know, can I actually say that I have a little nostalgia for when it comes to exams and everything? Actually say I have a little bit of nostalgia from school time, because I remember that it was great to getting ready, you know, like to be given an assignment and given the chance to shine, I guess. I am not sure. I would never go back to school time, but it was nice. Now instead I need to find everything by myself. I need to find the topics. I need to keep updated. Even when doing stream, you know, like you need to innovate. You need to find it in yourself to come up with new stuff. It's crazy. I need to stretch more. Are we good? Not. I bless you. Hugs. Stretch to it, bitch. I'm gonna stretch my legs. That is loud. That is actually so loud. Freaking music. But yeah. I have a few things that I wanted to talk about. Not today, but like a couple days ago. And I couldn't talk about because the PC decided to break, apparently. I need to be careful. I need to start being careful because this is the only PC I have, effectively. Like I actually have another laptop and I have the server, but they are set up in a way that it doesn't allow me to stream. So it would be actually no good to stream on a laptop. Even so, if you can actually stream on that laptop, because my setup is well, it's crazy. But yeah, and it's like I need to be careful because it's starting to acting up every single time more, and it's just like I'm not even sure. I'm actually not even sure. I really decided to debate me. Not for real. Like I formatted last month, right? I actually formatted last month. It was like the 31st or something. I think like I actually formatted last month on this computer, and then after I formatted it, I'm not sure what happened, but I'm pretty sure that it's because I went for the online account, Microsoft account, so I downloaded some kind of settings, and it just went for those settings, and then eventually it broke by itself. I do this. You know, I actually do this every single time because my computer is literally there. And I can see it. And I need to look at it to be like, what the fuck are you doing? But yeah. And it's like, I don't know, it broke by itself. It literally broke by itself. And I tried to fix it. But the realization that it actually needed a new format, it came to me when I actually logged out on my computer and tried to boot into safe mode the other day, and it completely locked me out. I'm actually happy that people were in my Discord, and there was Raisin, and there was Alette, and there was all the people supporting me otherwise. I mean, I still actually ended up formatting it, but I feel like I would have deleted it. I would have lost it, probably. Now it works. Now it actually works. If it wasn't for one thing, which is basically Final Fantasy 16, yesterday it decided to crash, but it wasn't because because of the computer. It's because of the game rather, because the 22 gigabyte of RAM for the game, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit too much. Badly RAM optimized. Oh jeez. Don't get me started. I feel like they want more and more, like, and even sure how to say it. And every single time they're pushing these requirements so much higher. And I feel like we actually saw it with what do you call it? Shit. I need a break because I actually cannot remember names. Hold on. I am probably rushing myself. You know, I'm probably rushing myself. That is why I cannot remember. Give me a second. I need to do some memory exercises. You know, I started like doing things without remembering that I've done those. You know, I actually, welcome back, Zig. I actually started doing things without even realizing I did those things. Like a blank out. I don't know what happened. And after I'm just like, oh yeah, I did that. When? I'm getting old. Yeah, I cannot remember this. And it's oh jeez. Hold on. Indiana Jones. Okay, I managed to remember. You see where the issue is? You see where actually the issue is? Because it is a freaking... it's an important name. It's just like, you don't remember. You figure the character, and you just don't remember it. Don't remember its name. That is an issue. It's I'm losing my memory. I'm getting old. Oh jeez. But yeah, I feel like we have all these games in today's, then they're starting to get like so heavy for no particular reason. And they have so many requirements And I was going to say Indiana Jones because Indiana Jones has the NVIDIA requirement, you know? And it's like, why? Why do you need those things? I feel like we are actually seeing it now more and more as we keep going. And there is a lack in interest into optimizing. And I'm not sure. Like, you do a port and you're supposed to port it to PC. Now, if people need 22 gigabyte of RAM to play the game, not a lot of people can play the game. It is actually sad to say, but not everyone has 32 gigabyte of RAM. And even if you have 32 gigabyte, chances are that you are doing something else with the computer. Like me, for example, when I'm streaming, I can tell you, like right now, there is no games. Right? Right now, I'm using 12 gigabyte of RAM. That is around 39% of what I have. Now, if people need to, and I'm running only OBS, basically. Yes, there is Steam. Oh, jeez. Okay, there's OBS, Steam, Spotify, there's Chrome, there's a bunch of applications. But if I actually use like Edge instead of Chrome, that would be another situation entirely. Because Chrome, my version of Chrome is completely like without anything, and it's something that I use only for stream. It doesn't even save the history, right? So whenever I open it, it's not that heavy. Like right now, I have 2 tabs open in the background, and Chrome is like only 300 megabyte. Right? If I actually opened Edge, for example, that would be a different story because it requires like 1 gigabyte just for it, just for existing. And yours does whatever it wants. I feel like Chrome is actually a good browser. 2.2 gigabyte now. You need to understand that my Chrome, it's actually like new screen and the patch notes from No Man's Sky that I want to talk about. That is my Chrome right now. And there's no plugins, there is nothing. It's empty. Now if I try to open Edge, that is going to be a different situation. Because Edge, by itself, like just opening it, it is a freaking default web page, and there's nothing loaded. It is 100. You see the difference? More than half. It depends how many things you need to load in. And now in today we have like all those functions, mechanics. So basically every single program, every single software has its mechanic, and it's just that they want to put everything into the RAM because they think the RAM is faster. Of course it is faster. It's just like they want to put everything into the RAM. I don't remember there was a name of another application that did something like this. Oh, my sync application. I'm using a sync application that is called Resilio Sync, and it actually has databases for all the files on the computer. And it's like you take those databases that sometimes are 2-3 GB, depending on the amount of changes and the amount of files that you're tracking, and they want to have that whole file into the RAM. And it's like, why? There is other systems. You can actually add a local database for the application. Like, it was a couple of years ago, this was the situation. Like, you needed to store data for the application. You had to install on the user's computer and a database for that specific application, which is going to be integrated. Now they don't want to do that anymore. They don't want to do that anymore. It would have been so easy. You need the file. You need to queue the changes. You just select that specific change from the database. It is super easy, right? But no, they don't want to do that. They need to take every single one file into the RAM. I'm disappointed. There is for Yorio, I'm disappointed because there is a way to write applications to what do you call it? Design games. There should be quality assurance. There should be checks to make sure it works and everything. Now you can say that users' computer, they got very complicated, and users want to have every single thing on their computer running at the same time. And if the computer cannot do it, if it lags a little bit, if it stutters, it shouldn't, right? But there is to say that it is impractical to expect that from a machine that has limits. But then again, it's not an excuse. Having a powerful hardware, it's not an excuse to not have good designs, whatever. I don't know. I'm just salty about this because I see it more and more, and I don't like what I see. I had hopes, but they're getting deleted slowly. They're actually getting deleted slowly. I'm not even sure there is something in today that is perfectly fine. People are getting lazy. Yeah. Another thing that is a signal for an indicator for this laziness is NVIDIA using AI to improve the graphics. Instead of actually spending time into the technology and leveling up the technology, no, you spend time into basically, because you need to do the assessment, right? You want to use AI to improve the image of a quality, the quality of an image, right? I understand that. You want to do it at runtime. That is perfect. That is actually perfect. But how I see it is that you need to analyze an image, right? Because you need to train the AI. You actually need to train the AI to take that image and make it better. So you're already doing part of the job. And then you don't want to do the additional step, You actually don't want to do the additional step that is making the right technology for making sure that that thing can happen, with hardware. You don't want to improve the chip. You don't want to... No, you're just like, oh yeah, I analyzed the image. I came up with some patterns, and now I'm going to give it to the AI. And the AI is going to do, regrettably, a bad job at it. Oh, I saw some things. I don't even want to talk about it. Not recommended the 1080 medium. It's already 3060. Just being lazy. They stop before it's good. Like it. I'm not even sure what's the reason for that. I'm actually not even sure what's the reason for that. Because I understand that there is AI, right? And there's people wanting to use AI for everything. But it cannot be used for everything. Right? It actually cannot be used for everything. It is starting to become an excuse. Right. So I am scared. Sorry. I am actually scared of one thing. When I go online, or I see streamers, or anyone else doing a search on Google. Sorry, my voice is getting... I need to stop. I'm trying, but I feel like I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure. Like there's some kind of background noise. Hold on. Well, whatever it is, I'll have to deal with it. I'm succeeding. Jeez. Okay, so like there is I'm scared about AI because every single time that I see a video or a stream about a content creator or like anyone else really doing a search on Google, they're just like, they get these AI prompts from the search results, which I'm not getting, by the way. I'm not sure how they are getting it. I thought about it, but I don't want to. They're actually getting these AI prompts that are probably good in an 78% of the times. They're actually good and accurate, but there is going to be the one thing that they're going to find which is not accurate, and they're still going to believe it. That is the thing. That is the bad thing about it. It's not that you use the AI or that you read the prompt, but it's actually that you believe it blindly. You know? Because this actually happened with something at my job. I went to the office and they were like, we needed this kind of activity done. You know, we need an assessment. And I know how software works, or at least how it's supposed to work, right? And they tell me, we don't know anything about it, right? We didn't know anything about it. So they're like, we need this. And they explain me we asked to the AI, and the AI said this and that, and we need to do this, but we don't know how to do it. And I'm just like, no way, you want to do that. That isn't even, like, they wanted to be compliant with something, right? I cannot do anything. Sick. Like, for real, mine is not lagging. Everything is fine, actually. Let me see it. Skip frames? Wow. I mean, skipping 138 frames in basically 1 hour almost. Like, it's good. It's expected. I'm not actually expecting, you know, perfection, but it is 138 seconds skipped. It's not really that big a deal. It's Twitch in general. I've actually been hearing that Twitch changed their API recently. So it might be because of that. They're trying to do shit like every single time, and they're breaking it. You don't have problems. I wonder if it is me, because I use the Germany. I'm actually streaming to the Germany server. Hold on. Yeah. I'm actually streaming to the Germany server. Let me see if I can open this. Twitch Inspector. Ooh. That's great. They actually have this integrated. Yeah, I'm not sure why it says that I am using the Germany server, but actually is in France. That might actually have an impact. The reason because that can see it. Yeah. I think if the backbone is deleted between the States and Europe, which might be the case. Okay, so the last time that you know who got elected, the beginning, like the first weeks, first weeks, the server between the Europe and the States, they couldn't actually talk to each other. They were like connection issues every day. So I don't want to say, but like most of the time story repeats itself. They don't like each other, probably. And sadly I cannot do much. It is sad. It's a change server. I'm going to do it after. I'm going to check after stream. You don't have a problem, Millet, because you're in France. And apparently I'm streaming to France. Wait, actually. No, this is supposed to be Germany. I selected Germany. I actually selected Germany because Germany is right under the backbone that connects between Europe and, like, actually they have a server. Twitch is a server which is right under the backbone that connects the States to Europe. Reason would be so chilling. So, like, it actually says, I'm making the selection that I did to in OBS. I selected Germany, but if I go to the live inspector, it says that I'm streaming to France. Not even sure why. So I'm not sure it was for real. The right server. I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah. There is actually no issue. Like, it's pretty good. I can share this probably. I'm even sure if there is anything there shouldn't. Oh, there is the session ID. I cannot share it. But yeah, like, you can share. No, I cannot share. No share. No share. I can actually share it. Hold on. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm going to edit it. And then I'm going to send it into, what do you call it? Yeah, dude. I don't like this program. Paint sucks. Drone? Thingy? What? What about drone? I think this is the only thing that I need to delete. Delete. There we go. Do not save. Thingy. Give me a second. Where is Discord? Screenshot. There you go. There is no lag. Everything looks stable. And by the way, the different colors color the line. They are the different qualities. So I'm sending 3 streams and they're all fine. So yeah, I was saying about the AI thingy. The most annoying thing, for me at least, is that people believe in it. You know? That is probably the baddest thing. Because it's not that we have AI, and AI is stealing like things. Because if you think about it, every single time they say, you know, you shouldn't use AI to you shouldn't use AI because it stole people's work to be trained. And it's not even true, because most of the time it's people that use, when you go on a service, right, on an image generation service, and you're actually using an input image, it is studying that image, like the AI is studying that image. So sometimes it's actually people using it that supply the data. If you don't want your data to be supplied to the AI, you just don't supply it. You know? There is actually an issue with you, and that, then don't supply it. And like for real, the other issue is, so that is not even an issue. The fact that they are copying a certain style from a certain person, it's because it's similar to another person that actually has supplied their data. to train the AI. And so it's not even that big of an issue when it comes to copyright and everything. But the big issue is that the people use it, and people, like, take it for granted, basically. Especially for medical stuff. You're not supposed to listen to Google because Google is not a doctor. But then if you actually have an AI prompt, you're listening to the AI prompt that tells you have like something based on a prompt. That is where I just cannot do it. People tend to not ask questions. That is the bad thing. Like, I don't like AI because of that. Because people pretend it to be this huge topic and it just stick it in. They just ask things to the AI and they think it's going to work. They think it is 100% accurate. It's not 100% accurate. Now, if you actually want to go into the detail, the technicality of it, you see that when you apply an AI module to something, the AI creates a prediction. Those predictions, they're accurate. The most accurate prediction that you can get is 99.9%. You can never be 100% accurate. What about that 0.1? Because that 0.1, when it comes to text, it can actually be a word, and 0.1% of the text being a word means that the whole meaning of a sentence can be different. And you need to be 100% accurate. I remember times where people would think the results on Google was the truth. Yeah, now it's the same with AI. GPT-3 in my studies, it would be convenient, but if it did not correct half of it, that is the thing. You need to correct it. Like, there's nothing wrong in using AI to do the groundwork, right? It's like, you have this idea. You go to AI, you have this idea for a story. You go to the AI, and you start it. And of course, on top of that idea, you need to do something. You need to make it yours. You need to fix it. Same actually happens with the pictures. Now, if I actually draw and I'm learning, I'm actually learning to draw, I created my AI specifically on my computer. And I think that is how it's supposed to work. I think that is where we are going with Intel and the new CPUs. Because we are actually going to have a CPU with a GPU, the NPU, I think they're actually called, which are specific chips. It's like the graphic chip, but it's just like a specific chip entirely to process AI, And it's going to be on our computers. And that way, you can say, I have the AI installed on my computer. It's not an additional server. It's not an external service. So I am better for when it comes to the privacy concern, and I can actually use it. Now, I would use something like that during my drawing practice, because you can see you can make a basic shape, right? You can actually get as close as possible. Privacy and drawing, yeah. You can actually get as close as possible. You don't need to worry about online servers. You get as close as possible to your drawing, and then you're just like, you don't know how to progress, right? You give it to the AI, and the AI solves that issue for you. So now you can actually study how the AI did it, and you can improve your skill, right? That is a good way to use it. A tasteful head patch. And well, if you are well too, you're just yapping here. You're free to join the yapps. But yeah, it's like, I think you can actually do something that is the groundwork of, like an idea with AI, but then you need to fix it. And I feel like that is supposed to be what is going to happen for the GPU. Like in the future, we are actually using AI to enhance the quality of a game. But, like after you did that, there has to be a cleaning process, which people are not doing. NVIDIA is not doing it right now. Because I saw some videos, and there's a lot of artifacts when it comes to the, the additional, the enhanced AI pictures. There's a lot of, we can actually call it noise. There's a lot of noise, there is a lot of ghosting. You cannot have a perfect image when it comes to AI. So there has to be a second step. And I'm just like personally thinking that if you do the research to create AI, you give the information to the AI, and after you did the information to the AI, you need to have that additional step to clean it. Well, I'm sorry, but why are you actually using the AI in the first place? That is my idea. Like, you're just being lazy because you need to do the cleanup step anyway. Hydrate. Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Anyways, like today was actually, I wanted to talk about new stuff that is coming our way. And specifically about this, there's a new Man's Sky, new No Man's Sky. New No Man. There is a new No Man's Sky update, and it's actually coming our way. I did an update. It was supposed to be, when was it supposed to happen? Wednesday. Wait, no, that's scheduled. Yeah. No, it's actually Wednesday. 29th of January. I'm actually not sure why I'm getting this now. New numbing skies. Yeah. Like for real, I'm not sure why I'm getting the update now, but I got it now. I guess it is what it is. Oh, there is a video. Ooh. I actually want to watch the video. You know what? Let's watch the video. Copy. Let's watch the video. See what's new here. Update with Sky. Was shy. Damn. I can't even read. Okay. Let's watch this.
This is No Man's Sky version 5.5. Billions of new stars and planets have appeared across the universe. A new lighting system brings incredible detail.
Damn.
Epic new gas giants loom huge across the universe.
I'm like, dude, I'm actually like, am I gonna be able to use that? Am I actually gonna be able to use that lightning system? Because I remember ever since they started No Man's Sky, it has been a very heavy game. Like for real. And how are they actually doing this? Those lights.
Terrain is more detailed and varied than ever, with huge mountains and dramatic landscapes.
Thanks to them,
New biomes
the freaking
mean
spaceship
planets
looks
are
good.
more varied than ever before. Water reacts physically to the world around it, from raindrops to large waves. A new adventure awaits, tying together many strands of lore.
Did you notice something? Guys, you actually noticed something. I wonder if that's going to be how it's gonna be. I wonder if that transition, it's actually how it's going to be. Improved cooking. No, it's not so smooth when it comes to it. Like when you're actually transitioning from a world and going outside of the orbit of the planet and going into space, it's not that smooth. I wonder if now it's going to be that smooth.
Lore. Oceans several kilometers deep are out there to be explored.
There is underwater.
Discover a rare new living starship.
It's basically Subnautica.
Gas giants can be explored by the most advanced of players. Our journey continues.
Whoa. Damn. Damn. That's actually great. That looks great. I'm gonna see an actual game. Sorry. I'm supposed to actually start this. I'm not sure how it's going to be in the game. I'm probably going to play it today to see how it's going to be. Spectacular new landscapes. Ooh. Traverse wilder, stranger, more alien terrain. How is it going to be more alien? That is what I wonder, you know? Because every single time that people say more alien. Well, do you actually know how an alien terrain is? And so like, yeah, you can imagine, but even this, in this picture, it doesn't look like an alien to me. It's just like a normal terrain, you know? What constitutes alien? Like, what actually constitutes, makes a terrain look alien? And how can you actually say that that looks more or less of it? The universe expands. A new class of stars is manifested in your universe. Purple-class solar system feature countless new worlds. Damn. And you need a new drive, which probably is going to be impossible to attain. Now, and to you, alien starts with vegetation. A rock is a log. A knife is what makes it different. I see. Deep oceans. This is what I was trying to do last time. Did I actually play the game? I was trying to do this. I was trying to find myself an ocean and build an underwater kind of base. I wanted an underwater base. I did the underground base. And now they patched it up. I did the base. And that it's too normal. So I don't like it. And now I want the underwater base. And I feel like this basically replaced, what do you call it? Subnautica. Alright, Zeke. Get some food. Ooh. Works to them. This actually looks good. Like very real. Inventory sorting. Fuck. They heard me. Yeah. They heard me. Finally. Organize your inventory with a single button. Automatically sort your items by name, type, value, or color. That's great. I wonder how color is going to factor in everything. And we are going to see soon. Sort inventory by value. This great stack of the same item will also be consolidated. Ooh, that is great. So you actually don't have to go search for those stacks and putting them together. It's actually going to happen by itself. That's great. Really good. Now, the question is, can I actually use this function in a storage? Can I actually use this functionality in the storage? Because that is going to be a big if. And it's going to be to make it or break it, basically. It would be good if that was the case. I feel like the way that you can go around this is basically having your inventory, right? Having your inventory completely free, and then taking out stuff from your storage, put it in your inventory, sort it, and then put it back. It's still like much faster than before. Effectively speaking, it's still much faster than before. But it would be annoying. Gas giants. Gas were deformed across the galaxy, making their own unique environments and materials. Ooh. Giant planets are characterized, god dang it, by immense atmospheric pressure. It's going to push me to the ground. There is a lot of gravity. I wonder how that works. You know? What does it mean? Because I feel like, besides having less gravity, I'd still have to find a word that has more gravity. So what does it mean? I move slower? Or am I going to be squashed to the ground? Okay, we got some good pictures. New narrative-driven mission. Okay. Interesting, we got new missions. Ooh, what is this? Deep Water Guardian? It's a jellyfish. I cannot believe it. The Guardian is a jellyfish. Dating the sea for a fish. Will Sunshine provoke a deep water guardian to emerge from depth and defend its watery children? Damn. Travelers defeat this vengeful creature will earn the unique Child of Aquarius title. Ooh. It has to be like very strong for them to give an achievement. You see milestones. Okay. That's crazy. I didn't notice that these are all, you know, like the ad. Oh, the ad with the boot. Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy and funny. I love it. Dense jungles. Ooh. Thick vegetation and dense underground. Undergrowth. Oh, it's like underground. Damn. Environmental hazards. Damn. You have to say it. Thanks to them, every single update, it's a good update. It seems like. Abandoned mode. New custom mode games can be set the universe population to abandoned. Abandoned mode remove all aliens' life form from the game, creating a lonelier, a more challenging survival experience. Damn, that's great. You can have the whole universe to yourself. What are you going to do? I'm not sure. The horses. Ooh, they're so cute. Enhanced water. Okay. I feel like we actually have to say this. Okay, this is the good stuff. Explorers who brave the ultra-deep waters will face a range of increased hazard as they plunge into the darkness. Wait, there is going to be oxygen then? I mean, they already have the oxygen system. I feel like it's going to be fine. Smoother modding experience? Wow. They're not leaving behind the people that mods either. Frozen diversity. Yeah, there's so much. Colossus Refiner. What? Understand the Colossus Exogaft can now support a 3-slot mineral processing rig, allowing travelers to process complex recipes. Wow. Yeah, and it's so much stuff. Giant squids. That's a lot of things they're adding. Yeah. I feel like No Man's Sky is actually, it's doing very good. It started bad, but it's doing very good. No? Wait, we actually have floor. He can cook. Oh my god. Damn. Now I actually want to see it. Because I think I looked out on a planet that is mostly like water. And this experience right here feels like Subnautica. Like, look at it. You got the floating thingies, you got the wall, water, waves. Well, this is huge. Like, for real. Hold on. This is important. Lighting overall. So before and after, I feel like it looks, I don't know. It's basically going from Windows 10, Windows XP era. You know, those EOs are like basically the same as the picture, default pictures in Windows XP. And then you go to today's, basically. XP today. Shit. Oh my god. Now till on platform. Ooh. Well, we actually need to play it. You know? Today we're actually playing it. Starship cold storage. With the capital ship can now make use of a long-term storage. Freeing up space. Ooh, so you can just store it away. That's great. Sport-filled words. Damn. Interior lighting overall. I remember this cave. Actually, the first time that I started playing No Man's Sky, I found myself close to one of these caves, and I made my base. This was years ago. I made my base here, basically, like in the middle, in the darkness. That was my first base ever. Damn. But you know what? You know what? I'm just going to download it. It's 21 gigabyte. Like, it's going to be okay. Hold on. Let me add a limit. Otherwise, it's going to delete my computer. Mm-hmm. 300. That's good. Like, they actually did good. Wait, what do you call it? It's out. It's actually already out. I was proposed it a few days ago, actually this week, and I was like, I need to talk about it before I stream it. And I couldn't up until today. But it's out, yes. I'm downloading it now. So I need to say that they did something good when it comes to Steam. Remember, there was like, you had to specify the download limit in a specific way. And then after you set it, there was no way to see where the limit was. And it's just like, it's so cleaner. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's so clean. You set the limit. It tells you, you know, like, this is the limit. You're not going past this because there is the limit. And I feel like it's doing a good work at it. I remember. Wait. I need to do it. Bing, Google. Let's sing it. So I remember that ages ago, when you would actually start Steam, and Steam would try to download something, it would delete your network. Like for your real, it's not even an issue with the download limit, but it was creating, as it was downloading, a lot of latency on the network to where you couldn't do anything else anymore. Like especially if you were playing a game online and Steam started downloading, you would have so much latency that you would get disconnected, even though you set the bandwidth limit to nothing, basically. It used to be scapped. Yeah, thanks to them, it seems like they fixed it. Like for real, I'm happy about that. It seems like they fixed it. I would have never done this before. I would have never been able to download a game during a stream. But now I can. It's crazy. Not even because I switched to fiber or anything. It's just good. But yeah, there's something else that I want to talk about. There's no link for this though. So I think I think I have to show you guys on Steam because there is no additional thingy to this. I think it is this. Yeah, it is scuffed. And my problem now is more that about this running like crazy when installing. I had the same problem. Remember, like I was talking in the Discord and was actually saying that there was a huge problem with the disk right now on Windows, especially on the new version, where if you're using a USB external drive and it's 100%, the whole computer like slows down. And I was trying to fix that, and apparently it is because of drivers. But it's rather because of Intel. Because if you switch to, I don't know, like the rapid storage technology driver, I'm not sure why, but their implementation of the rapid storage technology on my computer, basically if another disk was 100%, it would clog my system. So I had to switch it, to use that. Yeah. Yeah. That looks awful. Okay. Let's read this. This is actually patch notes for Legacy of Kain. You know, there was the additional remaster a few days ago. Wait, was it actually last month did they release the remaster? And just like I played it a little bit and then it stopped. We played this on the 31st of December. I can't even believe that it's been basically a month that I played it. So, and a little bit of changes. And I took the chance to show the changes because I'm going to stream this. We're going to focus, like, next week, we are going to start focusing in Final Fantasy VII. And as a side game, I'm going to stream this and trying to finish it. Yeah, we gotta go back to the maze. So I didn't see this. Sadly, additional prompt has been added. An additional prompt has been added to the Underworld tutorial. Oh no, I'm never going to see that. I cannot see it. A toggle has been added to enable disable the day-night cycle. I think this is what threw me off the other day. Because I'm just like, well, the first time it actually threw me off. Because I didn't know there was going to be a day-night cycle. Theodore. Hugs. Enjoy the lurk. Thank you for stopping by and say hi. Hope you're all good. Is this like the one bell that I was trying to deal with? I think I actually stopped here, so we'll see what's going to happen. Occasional crash. Issue triggering with Razio actually. No skill for a flamethrower hunter. Excuse me? Like you're just going to be killed by those slowly kind of people. I think this... I never saw these issues because I'm too good at the game. Because environmental to despawn. Wait, environment to despawn. Oh, we got this. We actually got this. Remember, we were actually playing, and eventually everything became black. Reason 10 months. Damn. Thank you for the 10 months. Actually, you reminded me of something. Where is my TTS? I think it's supposed to, to play something. Reason, how are you? You're right, good. Dream elements. I don't understand. Overlay as a browser source in OBS. Okay. I mean, I did. I thought I actually did. I do not control the audio through OBS, maybe. Oh, jeez. I'm sorry, boys. Nursing your hangover. Whips. Hold on, hold on. How do I test it?
This is a test message.
There we go. We have it. We have it. It's alive. Yes, it's alive. I'm not sure where the queue is though. So I cannot. I don't see it. I don't see a queue. So I cannot replay the previous messages. Sadly. You know? It's fine. Like it's not. It's not really fine. No? Unless TTS one, never. I'm gonna tell you why though. I like this setup. It's actually a little bit better. Because now I don't have to worry about hold on. I actually don't have to worry about the additional sorts. I just don't have to worry about the additional, you know, whatever. Okay, so let me explain why never. Because I value my voice, even though I hate it. I actually value my voice, and it's probably going to change in the future. And I don't want... It's not, you know? It's not going to happen. I'm never going to give my voice to anyone. I can read though, you know? I can actually read. Have fixed the Great Old One achievement. Excuse me? The Great Old One. Interesting. Like, Legacy of Kain here is going to be the first game, not the first two games, that I'm going to complete and get all the achievements. I'm going to try to get all the achievements. Then, maybe it's not going to happen. Then I'm going to try Backward Hunt, the Vampire Hunter. Oh, interesting. That would be that would have actually been interesting to see. But occasionally become stuck in a room with a T-pose Mobius after skipping a cutscene. I am happy that didn't happen. I didn't see that. But it is so river too. Black cubes no longer present on mummies. Damn. Oracle caves, cubes will no longer get stuck in each other. Interesting. The display no longer squishes horizontally. What? After disconnecting the controller, I'm not playing with that controller. Noobs. Imagine actually playing with that controller. A visual effect is now present when accessing and leaving the visions in the chronoplast. And that is the second. The split trophy achievement no longer progresses when killing a sorcerer troll. Oh jeez. Imagine all those people that were cheating for it. Directional input can now be bound to the arrow keys. Oh gee. You can now press pause when watching the bonus material news. Okay. Certain tutorial prompts no longer display the incorrect button prompt in non-English languages. Wow. Wait. You want to tell me that this game was actually doing the E key and translating the E key to something else in another language that is not English? Shit. That's crazy. Talking about bad games, right? That is actually bad games for you. Oh my god. Oh shit. Well, No Man's Sky is actually done. Let's go play it. No Man's Sky. New No Man's Sky update. Game is doing its best. Please. I'm doing my best too. Okay, I'm going to mute the PC sound as per usual. I'm going to suffer for you boys here. Playing No Man's Sky. Imagine playing this game in VR. Make for you real. Imagine playing this game in VR. Where is it? Where is it? Suffer with you? No. It's not starting. Oh, it is running. Okay. Where is it? I don't see it. It's not starting. Oh, there it is. Oh, shit. No way. No way, dude. Well, we were actually talking about bad games, right? Hold on. Let me close a few windows. Holding on. Yeah, I have something to show you. I can probably go to the other scene. Oh jeez. Okay, let's talk about something. This the scene? Yeah, it is. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Alright, so I understand that I refreshed my freaking installation of Windows. Therefore, it's not entirely made for games, but you need to make sure that your games actually have like the use stuff. Like this actually happened with This is Bonjour. It's actually a networking service that is shipped through. It's actually shipped with OBS, shipped with apparently No Man's Sky too. I didn't know that. I'm like, why are you blocking this service? You need to make sure about these things because you're releasing a game, right? That is going to be played by people. And you cannot just assume that everyone can disable their security functions because like your game is shipping with something. You need to, when you release a game, you have an update, you have something, you need to run an assessment to understand what kind of vulnerability you're shipping with the game or you're shipping with the software. That is just crazy to me that they don't do it. It seems like they don't do it, you know? They're unconscious. Oh, go take a nap. Windows are saying bonjour. Yeah. Maybe they don't feel like doing it. Oh shit. Yeah, but then why do I have to fix it? Why do I actually have to fix it myself? Right? Why do I have to fix it and lower my security level in the computer? It's just because you didn't want to fix it. I feel like that is not how it works. Did it change to No Man's Sky? Yes. Okay. And that's not how it's supposed to work. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure who has the blame here. Probably the people that made the driver, the main butcher. They actually have the blame here because they're supposed to. There's a new version of Windows. They're supposed to be compliant with their security service, to where if I'm actually doing the thing, if I'm actually using the service, I need to make sure that the server is certified, the service is certified or something. I'm not even sure how to explain it. That's good. My camera is zoomed in the game. You mean in the game? Or you mean my model? You don't know? It's a you problem. Everything is good. Everything is actually good. Ooh. Okay. Oh shit. I'm not sure how that happened. I'm actually not sure how that happened. Okay, the storm cleared out. I do feel a little bit zoomed in. I really feel a little bit zoomed in. I cannot be sure. Dude, The quality is amazing. It actually looks like a little bit of a different game. To be fair, it's making you dizzy. How was it not making you dizzy before? It is the same camera. So we are at 10 gigabyte virtual, 15 gigabyte of RAM usage. That is what I was talking about. It shouldn't be so much of a heavy game, like freaking Final Fantasy 16. Everything is on eye, There is nothing about zoomed in. I'm sorry. Camera, maybe? NMS, I'm not sure. But I do want to worry about it. Multiplayer disabled. It actually feels like it kept my settings. Strats. Shit. Thank you for the iPads. I'm going to zip. Okay, so let's go find, what do you call it? It is actually zoomed in. Dude, for real, it is zoomed in. I should go find some water. Like this is effectively how it feels. Field of view. This is actually how it feels when you play in VR. Like if you're actually in VR, this is what you see. Oh shit. I couldn't. I pressed the button, but it actually didn't do it. I'm used to it. Can you crash the ship now? No. But it does take damage. Oh. What is that? There is a purple light. We need to see it. What is that? Oh. Wow. Neck. It's a floating rainbow. Ooh. What happens if I take this? Oh. I need to destroy it? Well. I think I'm not strong enough to delete that. It looks nice. The Ferriorio. It looks amazing. The game looks new. Now I want to see if they're actually going to, if there's going to be the transition from before, or if it's going to be like faster to go to the what do you call it, to the space. The sky looks amazing. I, 'cause, 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 ' There's no way, dude. Where is my loading? Where is my loading? Oh. That is very nice. They improved it a lot. So there's almost no loading in transition. There is a little bit to where you see things changing, but I feel like that is normal. Oh, that's nice. Like now, I actually want to, what do you call it? I want to play this game in VR. What is my base? It cannot be that. Let's be honest. It cannot be that. Wait, was I really so far? Damn. Damn. I was a little bit too far. Okay, that is my base. I need to find a good place where to dive. I wonder if they changed the word. Really was far. I think it is because I went into space. And the spaceship is faster in the space. But yeah, they did something with the camera. Because now you can see much more of inside the ship. You know what would have been nice? Having like a whole list of changes. That would have been very nice. Not just like pictures and everything. I'm pretty sure there is. What's that? What? Is that a night? A word list with actual changes? Yeah, like added this, deleted that. I'm moving. I'm bouncing. I'm actually bouncing. Oh, I need to find a good planet. Because this one actually has water. But it doesn't really has good water. Or rather, not deep water. Hold on, I wonder if I can summon this ship here. I can't. I feel like I'm just going to do this for the world stream now. Oh, I'm fixed. I'm fixed. You won't complain if I do? The fuck's bouncing? Oh. Hide you creature. I need to try the inventory management system. Dude, what the fudge? Oh, they were mating. That is why they were doing that noise. They were actually mating. Oh. can't. Wait, that is my ship? Hold on. I cannot summon it anywhere. Oh. Is this my ship? Are we sure about this? It has to be. Oh, why? How do I open my inventory? Oh, like this. Okay, okay. Resort inventory by type. Ooh. Wait, you can actually do it to the starship. That's great. Boom. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. That is so good. Yeah. All the space in the exocraft. Wow. Wait, the freighter too? Damn. That is so great. Naming works. It actually works. That is so great. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. I'm so real happy. Ow. Okay, okay. Let's see here. Summon the space anomaly. There's quite a few things that we need to check. Nya 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 nya. Hold on, I have an idea. But I need to find it. I need time to implement it, basically. I would actually need a moment to implement it. Nya nya nya. Hold on. Let me go and implement it. Not sure if I saved it. To be completely fair. Yeah. 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 Ooh. Yeah, we do this. I'm sorry. You'll have to deal with me. You actually have to deal with me. I'm crazy. And I love it. Damn. Mm. What is it? What is it? What is it? I'm gonna be cozy today. Believe me. Holy fuck. Who's the... Who's that? Someone fall upstairs. Bum. Shit. You didn't hear that. You didn't hear that. That was so scabbed. Oh my god. So having scabbed. Meow. You heard nothing. Okay. Like we are just going to download everything, right? I wonder the other people that are lurking, they're just gonna be like, oh my god, what was that? Did it actually download? Ooh. Bear with me. We're almost done. No worries. I'm not even sure if this is going to be okay. I need to twist it. I never twisted before. Ooh. The issue is that I don't freaking know what. Oh. This one. Oh. Oh, I'm here. Yeah. We're actually going to replace ourselves. Hold on. I replaced myself. I sort of replaced myself. That's crazy. Huh? You mean, huh? What? I replaced myself. It's a cute fox. What do you mean? He's a cute fox. Oh, jeez. No? We are here now. Uh, damn. I wonder if this is using less resources. Effectively, it isn't. But the... There we go. I'm actually a good fox. Hey. I'm gonna be a cute fox. I feel like it should have actually been purple. Hold on, there's a way to... There's a way to recolor it. I think. Because I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Hold on. Let me get to work. There you go. Ooh. Oh no. Nyan nyan. There's so many expressions. Oh. Hold on. I wonder if I'm actually going to find the color. No. 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 I don't find the color. I cannot find it. If I actually have to go through the thingy. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh. 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 I see how it is. I need to Photoshop it. Nice. Things actually became so complicated at these days. Like, so very complicated. That fudge, dude. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on, chat. I cannot hear you. I cannot see you. Okay, so... We don't need these. We don't need that. Never chase that. I'm actually trying to do all the possible things. And missed that one. Okay. Now. Select the mask. Oh my god. Thanks God. I actually have experience with this. You know? Thanks God I actually have experience with this. So it's not going to take that long, but dude. You're crazy. You were wanting this? For me? Huh. Oh, that's scuffed. Wait, is it really? I feel we could. Might have done it. We might have done it. Hold it a little bit. I'm close. I'm close. Damn, dude. It's not allowing me to... Oh, there we go. It was actually not allowing me to select the mask. Yeah. It actually takes a long time. You actually believe it? Not this. That fudge. Well, this will be good. Where is the... Close. You believe? I believe too. Believe in me that I believe in you, that you believe in me. And that's it. Why do they keep disappearing? Oh. Oh, that's the reason why. This is not that good. I'm gonna be honest. This is... it didn't turn out like I was always expecting. But I tried my best. I actually tried my best. Hey yo. I actually tried my best. Alright, we can actually keep going. I tried my best. Believe me. Am I cute? Am I cute today? Am I more petable? No, you cannot use the pets. Sorry. They're not. They're not configured because this is... It's a last time. Not, it's a last time. It's a like... Last minute. I don't know. Get down. I feel fluffy. Guys, I feel fluffy. Always patable, but now I extended the fluff zone. I'm so fluffy. Like I'm actually being fluffy. Okay. There's nothing that I want. There's something that I want. But there's nothing that I want. Oh. Just make sure you take care of that art. No. There is nothing that I want. Like I was actually trying to do something, probably, with the... What do you call it? At the station. Right, I need to go at the station. There is actually... What do you call them? Emotions for this model. What is my... Is it this? I can actually show you boys, show you people. Yeah, I can actually be a cute fox. Hold on. How do I do it? Okay, so we have this. If you actually in the event, then you make me cry. Then there's a... I don't know why they called it what the fuck, man. Oh jeez. I think I can work with it. Smile, 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 smile. Cheek? What is cheek? It does nothing. What? Oh, they called it love aura. Happy aura. I'm happy. I get messed up with... Oh no, okay. It actually messed up with some of the parameters from the other model. Like, yeah. That's it. It's a very simple, very cute model. Yeah. You would have never imagined that today this was going to happen. Right? Right? You would have never imagined that this was going to happen today. Oh, this is not my base. Wait. How do I go to the other one? How do I go to the other one? Oh, where are you? Let me go there. Yes. Feed me. Damn. This loading is taking a long time. Like, I'm actually hungry. Now you say it like you started talking about food. I'm really hungry. Oh, thank you for the egg. Oh yeah, I need to try the thingy. I need to try the thingy. Come here, storage. Debs. Yeah. So, yeah. You're supposed to add the freaking thingy here too. Yeah, now how do I do it now? I think I can actually do it from the fryer though. Probably. I'm actually trying to go for a workaround. And but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Cannot bat me. But it is appreciated reason. I wonder if it works now. Like, I have the storage containers here. I found the exploit. I found the exploit. It actually fucking works. Oh. Well done. That patch was that. Did you see it? Did you guys see it? It was something. It flew past me. Oh my god. I don't feel safe here anymore. You know what? Let's make the money. Ooh. Ooh. Damn. Am I good? They're not going to sell the passport. Let's be honest. Why would you sell the passport? If anything, it's much better now that I can, go to my exosuit and just sort it. To pass the port. Yeah. 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 A large refiner. Ooh. That is an OP refiner. I wonder if I am doing this wrong. Setting the base on the what do you call it? Having the base in on the planet that technically should invest in my base on the in space, so I can take my base with me every single time that I go around. Be cute. Mean to cute. I'm what cute. What do you mean too cute? See where I'm supposed to deliver those things. Advanced material. It's about advanced material, basically. It's advanced material. Oh, hold on. It's not this. It is this. That's advanced material. You open the detail screen. Ekachpan. Scientific. No, I want an advanced material or something. Mercantile. What is that? Advanced material. There we go. You get an update. Yeah, actually got an update. We all got an update. Even though mine was actually a downgrade. Ouch. My head. Hydrate. Why should I hydrate? I'm good. Wait. That was all of it? 2.5 million? And that was it? No. I actually have other stuff to sell. It doesn't take it. Oh, there it is. Look at that. It's so easy to sell stuff. Feeling a little bit. Shit. Hold on. I'm getting back. I'm back. I'm gonna be an honest, decent person. How did you feel about it? Because I can actually improve on it. I can actually improve on it. You know? One day I can actually make it better. Gets out the chain. Fuck. I wonder if I have another model. I used to have all the models. So what I'm doing in this game. Like for Yorio. I'm not sure what I'm doing in this game. How do I increase this space? So we have a large refiner. We have some plants here. And with salt plants. We need to do this individually. That's crazy. There has to be a way. Leave. Yank. Yank. I actually need to go one by one. It's disappointing. I know I understand how to build stuff. Like I actually need to improve my recipes rather, because I'm not sure I can make stuff. Base part upgrades. Who needs this? No. Maybe. Yes. I want a teleport. Because I don't think there is that. Technology room. Expansion. Galactic trade. Cultivation. Refiner. Storage. Teleport chamber. Okay. I need one salvage frigate module. I'm not sure how I can actually get it. You love that emote? Me too. I'm happy that you love it. Frigate module. You know what? Probably. Very probably. I think that we need to go back to our pirate kind of life. We need to go back to being pirates. Hi, Captain. Let's go into it. And where was it? Any other question? What was it again? Damn. And then it's too many places. Is it this? Oh, shit. The sentinel interception signal. No. It's the where are the scoundrels? Sounds bad actually say it like that, but like there were like systems that and pirates, only pirates. Can I filter in this game? Knife form and no filter. Knife form, I guess. So every single life form is going to be a different color. Okay. It's not yellow. It's not red. It's not blue. What about the white? That's white. That is yellow. Shit. There is no civilization here. Interesting. White doesn't have anything. The finger placement is so perfect. Okay. Say that. You don't see any other colors. So actually go to the white. See what happens. Oh, but I cannot go there. Emerald Drive? Oh, bitch. That actually explains why I've never been to these places. Cadmium Drive. What this? Cadmium. And I'm upset. I'm actually upset. Indium Drive. Oh. How do I make those things? Indium Drive. Wait, it's an S rank. I need emerald. And 2 wiring looms. I think I can probably find the emerald. Yeah, I actually need to be in an emerald system to get emerald. Because I feel like that could be the case. Which means then I need to start with the lower tier thingy. What do I have here? Hyperdrive. That's it. So I can go with cadmium first. And it requires chromatic metal. Okay. That makes more sense. So swiny. He's actually slimy, yeah. Where am I? Not like this, like for real. Where am I? I'm in this system, and there's nothing in the system. Okay. I've never been here. Yank. Guys, for real, I want a chibi version of my model. I want all the possible version of my model. Like once my new model drops, I'm actually going to work on all the possible versions. Where is the backpack? Okay, there it is. Lizzieverse. You haven't seen the start of it. You haven't seen the end of it. You're not going to see the end of it because there's not going to be the end of it. Yeah. I mean, I have a 2D model, which is this, and I actually like had a 3D version of my model back in the days, and I can actually make a 3D version of it. That probably would be easy. And I was thinking of, you know, like a chibi version of the model, and also like a PNG version for very, 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 very stressful games. Okay. What do we find there? Copper, rusted metal, silver. I don't need any of those. What can we actually find there? And easy. Come on, I actually scanned it. Cactus flesh, copper. Oh, I need copper. There is copper here. There is copper. Silver. I don't really feel like farming silver. Let's go here. And he has the other material. The freaking pyrite. Whatever. That I actually need for other stuff. I don't have enough of that. I'm a pirate. I need a pirate. The piratite. Oh, jeez. We're going to stop at 3 hours today, by the way. I'm not going to stream longer than 3 hours. I need the rest. And I need to review the amount of things that I'm doing. You know? I need to kind of review things that I'm doing. I'm very tired. Like, I'm super tired. That fat is on my desk. Okay. Let's drop here. Landing area not clear. Yeah. I'm waiting for my next model. Something about it. There's also that I need I still need to schedule what is going to happen, you know? Like for Yorio, I need to schedule when the new model is going to drop. As I feel like, well, my artist, like the Sade, was most done, and you know, they showed me the rigging, and I liked it. I said there was going to be a little imperfection with the fangs, and it's been like a couple days, so I think it's going to be ready soon. Probably this next week. So I'm not sure, since I actually wanted to throw a big event. You know, I actually wanted to throw a big event for it. Wanted to do like huge things. But I'm gonna be honest. The more I think about doing things in a big, huge way, the more I realize that it actually takes a lot of effort to plan, you know? And after taking so much effort to plan, most of the time, I don't know, it's wasted effort. You know? I just feel like I could do that. Then I would like things to be too big. I probably would plan things to be too big, and then I would never do it. And the model would be there for ages, waiting for me to make it happen, you know? Copper. Where else? So I don't want to schedule too much. Yank. Yank, 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 yank. It's actually giving me like cactus stuff. But it's not giving me anything. Get out of here. Freaking plant. Scary. Yank, 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 yank. Yeah, it's not giving me anything. Unless I'm actually supposed to use something else for that. No? Doesn't matter. Yeah. I wonder if you can delete the ground under it. Oops. Oh, disappointment. So yeah, so probably what I'm going to do for the model is probably going to be like, I'm going to take a couple days to myself to play with it. And I remember back in the days, I wasn't doing this because back in the days, when you actually went for another model, you had to change the parameters. And changing the parameters would actually change the how other models behaved. Now it seems to keep it a little bit better. So I might take a few days, a few private days with my model, see how she works, you know, the things I can do, and schedule a date, and then that's going to be it. Probably that is going to be the best, but besides that, I'm not sure that I'm going to do, that I can actually do anything for it. In fact, yank. Evo? Well, there is no more. Oh, it is here. And blind. That fat. There we go. Take time to experiment. Yes, that is probably what I'm going to do. Going to take a couple days and still going to showcase the model. You know? And probably on Twitter. And still going to showcase the model on Twitter and make sure that everything works. And I'm going to set the date. Say, yeah, it's going to happen, I don't know, March? No, because we are already in February. You know? Birdo. Another birdo. Yeah, maybe in February when it comes to the things. And if you close your eyes, it's probably going to be March before you know it. Like, when can I actually release it? It may be... I had people suggest to me to keep it for the stream anniversary. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure I can last that long. It would mean longer than 6 months, basically. I think. Yeah, it would be like 10 months. 8 months, actually. I'm not sure I can last that long. Especially when I want to do things and I'm like, I have this module and it's great that people don't use it, you know, like in the way I use it. They don't actually have like all the additional details, so it makes it a little bit personal. But it's always you're like, you have this module that you customize, you requested, and they made for you and was expensive. You know, just keeping it in the in the wardrobe or whatever. I don't know, it doesn't feel fair, effectively. Yoink. Yoink. I cannot get the cactus. Where is copper in this word? It is so far. The cactus is shy. Believe it. That little cactus. Ooh. Copper. Copper. All the copper. Oh my god. What are those things? Trichnebasis. What? They look scary. They look freaking disgusting. Oh, that is another? No, it's the same. Yep, different tails. Wow. Ugh. Ouch. Is that the copper that I need? But that's so much of it. It actually goes inside. It's like I'm playing Minecraft. You know, like, you don't see it, but it's so much bigger. I need to excavate the sides here. The sides, sorry. Make sure that I'm not leaving anything. Yeah, it seems fine. Also, there is another thing that I want to do that we have not been doing. I want to make, like, go back to scheduling playing together sessions. I've actually not been doing that. We need to pick some games that we can play together and go back to do it. So I can tease you boys. I can tease you foxes. I can tease all the foxes. Oh shit. I think it was supposed to better. Well, I tried my best. They actually improved this to where it's not doing anything, it's not creating anything unless you move it. It's great. I'm gonna make a ball. A ball. Yeah. Hold on, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I'm going to make a bridge. We can make the bridge. There we go. There we go. It's coming together. It's actually too close. Well, I cannot believe I'm still feeling it. I actually cannot believe that I'm still feeling it. Okay, it's all about the balance. It's all about the balance. I think I can make this. There we go. We are up at top. Made it. Now it should be like this one. It was technically downstairs. The fudge is this? Dogskiperish. Again, can you guys actually understand me when I talk? Or am I talking in a mumbling way? I feel like that is a big issue, and I'm trying to fix it. I just want to understand if you guys understand me. Imagine just yapping and you... Oh shit. Oh. There we go. I'm safe. Yeah. I understand that. Let's see. Mold? Yeah. We got some iron. I wonder if... When is the copper? I was supposed to get copper. Ooh, 1,300. That's good. Good. I'm doing great. But I'm not sure. I feel like I'll actually have to re-listen to this Like there's so many activities that I was doing. Hold on. There were so many activities that I was doing off stream that I have not been doing. Dude, they did everything that I was thinking they would do, and they didn't put the freaking searcher. They still have to improve on that. They still actually have to improve on that. Okay. We good though. What happens if I delete this one? Oh, it creates mold. Good. It actually creates mold, so we can do the... We can change the mold to... Oh, whatever. The other thing. Alright, boys. Quick reminder that the stream is coming to an end, and I'm going to rest, and probably today's pod is going to be released on later tonight around 5 a.m. my time, so it's going to be a little bit if you haven't redeemed your daily attendance, please do redeem it. Now it's your time. I just need to get close to my ship. There we go. Actually, log out of the game here. Well, I actually don't need to log out of the game. Why? Where is it? Where is Spotify? Alright, boys. And girls. And foxes. I don't know what I was doing here. My cute foxes. Spotify too shiny? Yeah, Spotify is shiny too. It's shiny. I'm flickering. You don't want to, like, let's say I was flickering. Let's not say what was happening effectively. I feel like there is a... Hold on. Okay, it was Photoshop. Okay. I saw my RAM at 17 gigabyte, and I was like, who's taking my RAM? But then it was Photoshop. I had Photoshop open this whole time. So I'm going to review things tomorrow. Like tomorrow it's going to be my day off, and I'm actually going to take a serious day off, so I may actually not be around. Same is going to happen on Tuesday. I may not be around, and I'll actually be thinking about what do I want to do during the weeks, and what do I want to focus on. And I feel like the most important thing is going to be this. I don't want to start projects like I did with the website, like I did with the application, like I did with the token, like I did with this whole system this few weeks. I don't want to start a project that it's basically going to take more of my time when I don't have a radio. Because, let's be honest, if I am doing things on the side and then I cannot stream, I feel like that's not good. That's not bueno. I should make the stream come first. Not over me, but like over other projects. Anyways, thank you for listening to me yapping. And I actually promised 4 entire hours of yapping. I'm sorry I couldn't get there. I feel like I wanted to start the stream today. And I wanted to do it. I had the arguments. And I had all the things planned out. And I was like, I feel tired. And I think if I actually pursued my objective for the day, like there was to stream to yap for 4 hours, I would have actually got very upset because I couldn't do it. So long as I'm good, I'm good. I'm good. I feel like it is alive. I'm not recording a video. I'm actually live. Now, even if it wasn't live, 4 hours of yapping, it's a little bit too much. Especially at the beginning. You know, it's impractical. It's actually impractical, right? So I was like, I'm gonna start the stream. I'm just gonna wing it. Because I feel like sometimes if I do a mistake, this is how I work. If I do a mistake, I get all caught up in a mistake and I watch all my steps trying not to remake the mistake. So I live in the past. And then when I plan stuff, I plan it too big. Like the model thingy, right? I plan it too big. That it's never going to be effectively nice. I mean, not effectively nice. It's never going to be effectively good to realize. Because it is too big. I feel like I'm just going to wing things. And I'm just going to enjoy the games, enjoy the time. Whoever wants to be here is going to be welcome to yap with me. You know, I just take it easy, literally. And if it's going to happen, it's going to happen. And that's you to that. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here. And have a nice night. I'll see you all tomorrow, I guess, in the Discord. Please, take good care of yourselves. I'll see you next time. Good night. You're not too late for me to say hugs. Ara. The super sneaky one. You mean I'm still here? I'm ending the stream. I want to, like today, I told myself that I wanted to raid someone. So I am just actually picking who I want to raid. I want to add someone for my follower list. Nave one. I don't see anyone streaming though. Oh, Ruru is streaming it. Okay. Oh yeah. I saw her. Yeah. I wasn't looking at that. I saw her. That's her name? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to position myself at her stream. Dun. Dynasty Warriors. Ooh. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy. You love my voice. Oh, thank you. It's actually an achievement if people love my voice. Good night, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the continuation of this, journey. And I'll see you all in Discord tomorrow or on stream the next time. Thanks.